New Cupid, January 2nd, 2007. Time for a change. New Cupid, King of Swing Out, baby. January 2nd, 2007.
We got a brand new day. They say I'm a rapper, and I say no. Don't say what you doing, trying to do somebody go. I just let the music come from my soul, so all of my people can stay on the floor. They got a brand new dance, you gotta move your muscle. Brand new dance, it's called a Cupid Shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go, we gon' show you how it goes. To the right, to the